MTR is probably the first name that pops up in our minds when we think about food in Bangalore. It's one of the legendary restaurants that has grown from a simple eatery to a brand that has traveled beyond the city boundaries and made a name for itself internationally. In 1920, three Maya brothers, Parmeshwara Maya, Ganapaya Maya, and Yagnanarayana Maya, moved from their hometown in Udupi to Bangalore. Initially, they were employed as cooks. In 1920, Parmeshwar Maya and Ganapaya Maya started a small restaurant near Lalbagh called Brahmin Coffee Club. They served just coffee and idlis. 5 years later, Yagnanarayana Maya joined them after Parmeshwara Maya's demise. In 1951, Yagnanarayana Maya went to Europe to do a detailed study on European restaurants. He came back and improved the hygiene, health and sanitation standards and renamed his own restaurant to Mavali Tiffin Room, also known as MTR. In 1960, MTR moved to its current location and has become a landmark. During World War II, when there was a shortage of rice, their famous Rava Idli was created. In 1970s, during emergency, it was mandated that food be sold at very low prices. It was at this time that MTR began making ready-to-eat food items, as sustaining entirely on the restaurant's profits became very difficult. MTR started out as a small eatery. It has grown to such an extent that it is now one of the biggest brands all over India and also the world. Their high-quality packed products like rasam powder, pickle, jamun mix and other items have definitely been consumed by most of us. MTR reached the peak during 90s and of late it is on a decline. Recently, it was also sold to a Norwegian company. It does not have the same standard that we saw in its glory days, but MTR is still MTR and it has a special place for all Bangaloreans. The quality of their lunch has declined, but the breakfast still has its old charm. The long queue outside the eatery is proof of that. Their masala dosa is something to die for. It is served along with a small cup of ghee. The typical Bangalore style of having it is to pour this ghee over the masala dosa and then enjoy it with thick chutney and sambar. They are also famous for their Rava Idli. Chow Chow Bath is another masterpiece. You can also order Khara Bath and Kesri Bath separately. Apart from Kesri Bath, they have many other tasty sweets. Their badam halwa is rich and tasty. Their hot gulab jamuns are probably the biggest ones I have ever had. MTR is famous for its coffee being served in a silver glass. I'm not a fan of their coffee though. There are definitely better ones that I've had in Bangalore. But I would definitely recommend having their grape juice. It is their speciality. They even serve a small quantity of it in a silver glass along with their lunch meals. MTR is a must-visit breakfast place. Most Bangaloreans go for a walk in Lalbagh in the morning and then drop by at MTR for their breakfast. When you walk around their waiting area or walk up the stairs, you see a lot of black and white pictures on the walls. You also get to see a lot of awards and certificates. This itself speaks volumes about MTR's legacy. We Bangaloreans really feel proud of MTR and all its achievements. To get updates on more such videos, subscribe to this channel.